Hello and welcome to the channel. I just got this today. There's some other videos I recorded earlier before this, but this one actually came today. So yeah, it's now Friday after Labor Day. The package is a little bit dirty. Now this is something for my costume. Oh yeah, that's real leather. I can smell it. That's awesome. Real leather has a very distinct smell. This smells like you just walked into a Harley Davidson store and just passed by all the motorcycle leathers and stuff like that. I'm gonna hang up this cloth bag. So we got a couple of loops there. And this just pops off like that to reveal this pocket here. And then this just unzips. This is a hip bag that I want to have for my Mandalorian costume. I can have it slightly in front. And I can carry my wallet and stuff in here. And I can throw something on here. I do have this keychain. I was gonna put it on my backpack, but I ordered a new backpack just for this costume, more for what I want. I might even let it fit through here. Oh, I think I put it on wrong. I put it on the wrong way. Okay, hang on here. So I want it to face outward. And then I can go like that. That works. Let's remove this leather tag. But yeah, you can tell that that's real leather. This is a bit of a sample of the kind of leather that they used. There. Nice. I could also hang one of my lightsabers off of it. Because yeah, my character uses uses a couple lightsabers. We'll see how that goes. We'll see if I keep that on there or not. That it's just preliminary at this point, but it's something I can do with that loop there, or I can attach something else to it. But for right now, I'll just leave it on there. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. I have like 3 belts coming. I have a bandolier coming as well, with some pouches that go across my chest, and I had to order another belt to go with that because it only covers the front, but you need a second belt to cover the back to be able to wear it all the way around, because the way they design it is just for the front. Yeah, I'm excited for that when that comes. Anyways, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and have a good one.